Hi there, it's me again, Rosemary Gihitra, your Bachelor of Science in Environmental Science student from Bohol Island State University. This video is made as a partial fulfillment for my Environmental Analysis unit. From the first video, I showed how to pinpoint specific location using the Google Earth Pro app. Now, in this video, with those given pointed locations, we will learn to convert its longitude and latitude coordinates into a decimal degrees using the Microsoft Excel. In your Google Earth Pro app, the pinpointed location is already visible in your screen. So our aim is to convert the coordinates of this location into decimal degrees from its degrees, minutes, and second form using Excel. At the left side of your screen in your Google Earth app, you can observe the pinpointed locations. Select one location and click right from your mouse or mousepad. Click Properties, and this will show you the degrees, minutes, and second forms of the longitude and latitude coordinates of the pinpointed location. Open Excel to input your coordinates data. To organize things, I suggest to put the description first, then input the latitude and longitude. Repeat the steps until you have inputted all your pinpointed location data. In this given activity, we were only asked for the three specific locations: the University Gymnasium, Department of Forestry and Environmental Science, and the admin office of the Bisobilar campus. Do make sure to save your Excel files. After inputting the data to the Excel from our Google Earth Pro, let's go to the exciting part. What we need is to make this longitude and latitude data in its decimal degrees in order for this to work in ArcMap or QGIS. I will first convert the latitude. Now I will copy this raw data here. And the trick is to select the file. Go to Data, Text to the columns, and this tab will bring out this wizard, and with this wizard, you can use this to split up your values. I will just hit Next on Fixed Width. I can choose where to drop these little splitter lines, and what we want to do is to isolate just the number themselves, because that's going to be the most important. So see what happened here? Is that it split up the raw data of our latitude into pieces, so the next thing to do is simply delete the extra steps. Then here we're going to label the latitude degrees, latitude minutes, and the latitude seconds. Also the extra column for our latitude decimal degrees form. So for the final part, we would want to convert that to decimal degrees, and so observe and listen. Do an equal sign that brings up the formula ability of Excel to do calculations, and start clicking and adding up these things. So say degrees, that's 9, plus, and then click on 43. Now once in the minutes, we are going to divide that by 60. And then you push plus and you click on the seconds and then divide that by 3,600. And finally, here is our decimal degrees. Once you have that formula, you can use that to autocomplete function by moving the mouse over this part of the Excel box into a black square. Drag that and we will send that formula through the rest of the calculations. And yay! So now we also want to do the same process with our longitude. The same thing. Select the values, click Data under its ribbon, click on Text the column, Fixed Width, then add the little breakpoints to isolate just the numbers. clean it up, then go ahead and name this as longitude degrees, longitude minutes, and the longitude seconds. Also, the extra column for our longitude in a decimal degrees form. There is no changes in our formula here since this is a longitude at east hemisphere, which indicate that all the values are positive. So again, do an equal sign that brings up the formula ability of our Excel to do calculation. So start clicking and adding up these things to say the degrees, that's 124 plus, and then click on 6. Now once in the minutes, we are going to divide that by 60, and then you push plus and you click on the seconds, which is 32.86, and then divide that by 3600, and finally here is our longitude in decimal degrees. Here is our data now. The degree, minutes, and second form is now on decimal degrees, and I encourage you to save this file for our next video tutorial. Thank you for watching.